For the beginning of this hairstyle, you're going to need a crochet needle and a comb. What you want to do is separate the hair straight down the middle. You want to tie up the half that you're not going to be using yet, so it won't get in your way. Now we're going to start braiding. I'm going to start on the side closest to the ear for the first braid. And I'm going to use some braid in here as well. As you can see, I did the rest of the cornrows halfway, and there's a special reason for that. So with this back half, I'm going to braid it into zigzags. So I'm going to use the first two braids that I did closest to her ear, connected to the first bottom row, and just create a zigzag. And there goes your zigzag. I'm going to sew down the remaining hair sticking out just so it won't get in the way of us doing the crochet. So with the back, you're going to grab 2 strands. The easiest way to walk you through this is telling you to stick the needle through the braid, hook on the hair, close the latch, and pull it straight through. Then you want to put the strands that you pulled and put it through the loop. And make sure it's nice and tight. Pull it a little bit. And then you want to tie the 2 strands into a knot. So put one through the loop, pull it through, and make sure it's tight and snug.
Bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
And you want to continue these same steps 3/4 of the way up. And once you get to the front, you want to do just 1 strand instead of 2. I am all done with the install, and I'm just cutting the ends now to give it more of a shape and give it more of an even look.
with crimson secrets and forbidden bliss. Can't stay still, don't stop the